Want to feel stronger and more energized throughout the day? This natural drink supports men's daily strength and long-lasting energy. Today, we're sharing a simple and refreshing natural drink made with carrot, lemon, and honey. This blend is designed to support men's daily strength, stamina, and long-lasting energy when enjoyed as part of a healthy lifestyle. Let's start with carrot. Carrots are rich in natural nutrients such as beta-carotene, vitamins, and minerals that help support overall body function. These nutrients play an important role in supporting circulation, muscle efficiency, and steady energy levels throughout the day. Carrots also help support endurance by providing the body with natural fuel that helps reduce feelings of tiredness and supports physical performance. Next, let's talk about lemon. Lemon is well known for its high vitamin C content and antioxidants. It helps support hydration, nutrient absorption, and overall balance within the body. Lemon also provides a refreshing effect that helps the body feel lighter and more alert, especially during busy or physically demanding days. This drink, blend fresh carrots and lemon together until smooth. Blending, strain the mixture to separate the juice from the pulp. Remove the solid residue and keep only the liquid. Straining helps create a smoother texture that is easier to drink and absorb while preserving essential nutrients. Once the juice is ready, add 1 tablespoon of honey and stir well until fully combined. Why this blend matters for men? Men often face daily physical demands, mental stress, and long working hours. Supporting the body with natural ingredients can help maintain steady strength and endurance throughout the day. This blend helps support daily strength and stamina, long-lasting energy, healthy circulation, physical endurance, overall vitality and confidence. When consumed regularly and combined with balanced nutrition, regular movement, quality sleep, and stress management, this natural drink can help men feel more energized and prepared for daily challenges. Now let's talk about honey. Honey is a natural source of carbohydrates that provides quick and steady energy. It also contains antioxidants that support recovery and help reduce daily fatigue. When added to this blend, honey enhances both flavor and energy support, making the drink easier to enjoy consistently. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more health and lifestyle content. Stay healthy, stay active, and we'll see you in the next video.